Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Zero to Infinity. If you are getting this captcha problem while creating your account or doing any verification step, sliding puzzle, captcha, how you can fix this, I will tell you in this video because I have faced similar problem. So today I will tell you how you can fix this problem. You just need to follow some simple steps and that will help you to fix this problem. So what you need to do to fix this captcha. So in this captcha you need to slide down and slide down your captcha, slide down your puzzle, and it will help you to fix this puzzle. And many users are facing this problem. This is a very easy. You need to slide down your puzzle on the screen. There is option of sliding down option appear in the bottom of the screen. You need to by the help of the option you need to slide down your captcha, and when you slide down this captcha will be automatically got clear. But many users are facing this problem. So how you can do that? There is, you can see that empty option of the puzzle. You need to make sure the puzzle got stuck in this the piece of the puzzle. You need to enter in this puzzle, so then this problem will be solved. But this loophole is again got started and does not stop. Then make sure you use your smartphone, because in the PC or computer this problem arises because they think that you are a robot. Then this problem arises. So make sure you are solving this captcha on your smartphone or use the desktop version. And also make sure you have cleared the cookies and gave all the permission to your app, and it will help you to fix this problem. Hope you try this video and subscribe our channel Zero to Infinity for future updates. Thank you guys.